Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. This was one of my favorite standby onion and mushroom. I usually cook this dish to fill tortillas, but this dish is slightly different because I added garbanzo beans, and the outcome turned out to be really good, and I enjoyed it very much. Well, the reason the wok kind of looked like this because I just use it to cook some steak and salmon. I cooked this in my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. This dish is very fast to cook, and I also have some onion already prepped. With advanced prepping, it is a great convenience because I always have onion available on hand, and I could use it in different type of dishes. In here I use red onion, and of course you can use any type of onion that you would like. I prefer red onion because it gives a nice color, and also I like the sweetness of the red onion. I'm pretty particular with my onion. I do not like them to be too soft, but at the same time I would like to cook them enough to give them that tenderness that I like. Onion have pretty good shelf life when you cut them up. They usually would last about 5 days to a week. Advanced prepping makes this dish very easy to cook. Next, I'm going to put some portobello mushroom. Again, I have them cut up already. As you notice that I do not use all of the portobello mushroom I have. So this way I can use them over a period of a week. Well, it looks like I still have a little bit more left. So I decided I'm going to use all of it for this dish. I usually cut up the portobello mushroom in thin slices. This referred to as a baby bella. Both my wife and I love mushrooms, so we usually have both the portobello mushroom as well as the white button mushroom on hand. I added the mushroom later after I have a chance to cook the onion for a little bit because I do not like to overcook the mushroom because I like to keep their texture relatively firm. And next, I'm going to add about half can of garbanzo bean. These beans are already cooked. That's very convenient. All you have to do is just add them to the wok and with your stir fry. They add great texture, flavor, but more importantly, they are very nutritional. And next, I'm going to do a quick taste test. I love the flavor and texture of the garbanzo bean. Of course, they're already cooked, so you really don't need to cook them very much. All you need to do is warm it up to the temperature of the dish. And next, I'm going to season the dish with the seasoning agents from Masala Dabur. It's very convenient because once you open up the Masala Dabur, you have all these 7 different seasoning agents right in front of you. I vary my seasoning strategy each time when I cook. This is where I call flavor chasing, and it is a lot of fun to try experiment to find the flavor that I enjoy. There's probably no reason for me to tell you how I actually did the seasoning this time. I think you will find out the way how you like it by using something that you are familiar with at first, and then you can try something different. Last but not the least, I'm going to garnish the dish with some scallions. A scallion is great. It not only provides a nice flavor and texture, but also adds color to the dish. To remain the freshness of the scallions, I only toss it a few times and the dish is ready to be served. This dish makes an excellent side dish, and I have used it for many different type of combinations. Particularly, I frequently use when I have things like fajita, and I will use this as part of the stuffing for the fajitas. However, one thing I did differently this time for this dish is I added garbanzo beans. Even before I start, I know the garbanzo bean will add a great deal to this dish. I really enjoy making this dish. I think from my standpoint, the most important thing to make home cooking sustainable is to be able to control the outcome of the dish. If you can make the dish the way how you want it to taste like, it is a great deal of satisfaction. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.